Assalamualaikum one class students, how are you? I hope you are fine and enjoying the online classes. And today our lecture number 10 and our topic is taking care of the computer. So let's we start today our main point of our chapter number 10. Computer needs special care. Why we need special care for the computer? Because we need special care protect the computer from the dust and other effective elements. We should always keep our computer table clean. Students, you see the Viz in this pictures. Clean the table with the help of cloth. He protect the computer from the dust. We should always cover the computer and not allow any dust to get into. We cover the computer because dust enter into the computer. That make a bigger problem for the computer don't work properly and different error occurs in the computer, so we need special care for the computer. In the next slides I am described to we should not eat and drink when we are working on the computer, and we not use computer on the bed, and we use computer just on the chair, and computer computer keep in the table. We should not bring magnets near the computer. That is more effective factor for the computer. So don't near the magnets to the computer. Students, you see the right hand of the picture is a drink and the left side of the picture is magnets that is not allowed to near the computer, so we protect the computer from them. In the next slides, we should always hold CD by their edges. Why we use CDs? We use CDs for playing games on the computer, and we see the film on the computers. We use CD for store our data. If accidentally our data lost from the computer, we use CD for the stored data permanently in the CD and use for further. CD must always be kept in the CD cases. Students, you can purchase the CD cases from the market that is available on the market. These cases is most important for the CDs. CDs we use for playing games and hearing movies and stories, and we looking videos on the CDs. So today our lecture is end. So listen it carefully. Allah Hafiz.